guys, now already finished our capping, only cleaning. Routing ba yan? Piling na? Piling na no? Ikaw tumira dyan sa kabila pa eh? Ikaw tumira dyan sa kabila? Tingnan nga natin. Oh, sama. Piling na pala yan? Oo, ano yung shadow? Wala routing. Miya number 1. Overhead, tingnan natin. Ayun oh. Ayos guys, piling na. Ilang patong ba ito eh? Tatlo lahat. Very good. Yan, bibirada ang kaibigan natin.
Oo. Andito tayo guys.
Overhead ang kakarain mo?
Oo. Ito guys, gagamitin natin ha.
Bibirada ngayon ang kaibigan natin.
70-18.
Yun.
Guys.
Remili ito guys. Ilan yung amperahe mo?
Pirahin natin guys, 120 guys.
120.
Oo.
Birada.
Subukan natin guys, kung marunong ba tayo nito. Ay. Oh, naglit lang guys ha, kaya nagpatak.
So guys, we are finished the filling. So that is the filling. Going flat, then down to the side, vertical side. So we start now from 6 degrees overhead capping. So finish capping already overhead. So our filling is finished. So we start now. Continue our capping. So this is capping now. Power knob.
No power.
Check. Sitting. So we go back down side, vertical side, second layer of capping. Okay, start. Okay. Third layer. Vertical side. If you observe guys, have a little bit weaving or electrode. Looking guys. So finish capping guys from overhead area going to vertical side grade. So finish downside guys. This side finish. Gerada Wenders channel. Kalimutan guys mag-support sa ating channel. Gerardo Ragonde at shout out sa Wenders channel. Huwag nyo kalimutan guys mag-support pa sa kanya. Kasi medyo bata pa ang kanyang bahay. So panoorin nyo to guys. Sana nakasupport kayo para kahit pa paano, lalo na sa mga nag-aaral ng isda, matutunan nyo, magkaroon kayo ng mga idea sa ating trabaho bilang welder profession natin. So, ayan guys.
Tayo guys.